guys, I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig for y'all from Idefine hair, and I'm so excited because it's my first video of 2021. I have so much coming up for you guys. I have a giveaway coming up because I've received so much support on my last few videos, so I got y'all, okay? I got y'all. But we're gonna talk about that later. Right now we're gonna talk about this company. They are new to the hair business, but y'all, they are so sweet because look at the card they sent me for Christmas. I did get this hair in December. I know it's January. But yeah, so they did send me a gift. They sent me these towels and I thought they were so adorable, so I had to show y'all. This is a newer company, so you might not have heard of them, but look, y'all, their hospitality is on point. So, like I mentioned before, this is the company Idefine. This is the box that it came in, black and sleek. Love to see it. It came with the wig and some headbands, y'all, because it's a headband wig. So it came with 3 iridescent headbands, and I thought they were so cute. And it also came with 2 tropical headbands, and it came with this wig bag, okay? Everything you need for a wig, and you don't even need this for the wig, but you can never have too much. You can never have too much stuff for your hair. So here's the wig straight out of the bag and the net. This is the water wave headband wig like I mentioned before. This is the ombre one with the brown streaks in it, girl. The hair was super soft. No shedding. I wasn't getting any shedding with this hair at all. As y'all can see, I kept running my fingers through it because I couldn't stop looking at the color. I couldn't stop feeling it. And I was just so excited because look at the texture, the color, the length. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So like I mentioned before, this is a headband wig. Y'all, I know I have so many. I'm gonna stop, okay? It's just so addictive because they're so easy to work with. And yeah, I just got a few more and then we're not gonna do any more headband wigs ever again. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. But it comes with 3 combs on the top and 1 comb at the bottom. The cap is fitted, I will say that. I'll probably get it bigger next time I order a wig from them, but that adjustable Velcro strap is stretchy, so you should be fine. And it also came with this tag, which you can't really see, but it is 20 inches long. And it also has the hair care instructions on it. So before we even get into the hair, I know y'all want to know where the hair I got on my head came from. And guess what? I already did a review on it. It is like my favorite headband wig that I have so far. I can't get over it. Everyone loves this wig because it's just so full, curly, natural looking, and it's just a sensation, okay? I did this review on this cheetah headband curly hair wig, so I'm gonna leave it down below because I wear this wig like every day. It is my ultimate go-to headband wig, so go check out the review after you finish watching this one. But now we're gonna get back into this headband wig that we're focusing on. So I already put my cap on and I did my baby hairs, okay? And they are popping, if I do say so myself. Just like that. Just like that, girl. Yes. Period. Once you have your hair ready to go, I just throw on this wig. Like I said, it is fitted, so I did have to kind of adjust it and move it until it properly sat on my head. But you don't have to do that. You know, if you have a smaller head, you should be fine just sticking it on there. But me, I got a big head, so big heads take a lot of big work, okay? So I'm just gonna twist it and turn it and pull it forward, and after I pull it forward, I just slide it right back and I pull it until it's sitting how I properly want it to sit. Yay! So now that it's on, I'm running my fingers through the hair, and y'all, the hair, once again, super soft, no tangles. Where? Tangles where? Nowhere. I didn't get any tangles from this hair. It was soft. It's water wave texture, as you can see, not too curly and tight and not too loose. It's right in the middle. And so this is just how the hair looks straight out of the bag with my fingers running through it, just to give you guys what you would get if you ordered this wig, which I'm going to leave down below. And I have a secret, so guess what? I have a 20% off code for you guys to use if you decide to buy it. It's Marian20, and you get 20% off. So you're welcome. I'm gonna leave all that information in the description box just in case you forget. But once again, this hair is the Ombre Brown Water Wave Headband Wig, and the brown color is gorgeous. The length is 20 inches. It is true to length. Of course, curlier hair looks shorter than, you know, straight hair would. Duh, but either way, it is still gorgeous. It's not too long because I know I like long hair and some people don't. And it's not too short, so you still get that shoulder length on the go everyday wig. And I just love it. So of course I'm not going to end the video here because I have to show you guys how this hair looks wet, and I'm also going to style it, so stay tuned for that. But first I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm just going to spray half of the hair to show you guys how it looks when you wet it, because y'all know some hair companies trick you, and when you wet your hair it does not curl back up, okay? And this hair did what it was supposed to do. So I'm doing one side so you can see the difference between the wet side and the dry side. I was so shocked because the curls to me became even tighter when I sprayed it with water, and it's just like, I didn't expect that. So y'all, look at how beautiful this looks. It looks like chocolate caramel hair. So like I said, the curls look just as good wet as they do dry. So this is a whole style out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and wet the rest of my hair so I can look even. And throughout the video, you'll also see how this hair dries up, so you don't even have to worry about that because you will see the transformation yourself. So I also want to say, when your hair is fully wet like how mine is right now, still beautiful. But if your hair is fully wet, you could also put mousse on it to keep your hair from frizzing up when it gets bigger and drier. So, you know, if you want to avoid frizz, you can put mousse on it. But I didn't put any products on this hair because I wanted this hair the most natural it could be for the video. So now I'm going to try on some of the headbands they sent me because they're all so adorable and so cute. And we're going to start off with the beautiful iridescent ones. So the first one is the purple with a hint of blue in it, okay? It's beautiful, it's glistening, it's shining. I love shiny things. And I would say that it does have stretch, but as y'all can see, it is made of that plastic material, so I had to kind of stretch it a little more, you know. Definitely would recommend putting this over your head before you even put on your wig, because sometimes if you have to struggle, it can make your wig slide back, and you don't want to have to go through that process all over again. So just put your headband on before you put on your wig, and it'll help you out a lot. Oh, I almost forgot to tell y'all to look at my new background. Do y'all see my grass wall? It is so pretty, and I just love it so much. I did it myself. Let me know if y'all like my new background. It just gives me more color, more greenery, and I love it. But back to this wig, so back to the headbands. I just switched out the purple one to the pink one that has like a hint of red and orange in it. It's like fire headband. And then of course, I didn't put this one on, but here's the third iridescent one. It's cute too. And now here are the two, I'll call them tropical because they look like vacation headbands, okay? This one is the black one, and they are made of cloth, so the stretch in these are so much better than the iridescent ones. So you don't even have to put this on before your wig because it stretches so wide that you can fit another head up under there with you if you need to. So, you know, yeah, this has a great stretch to it, and I love these because they feel comfortable on your head. They cover up a good amount of space, and it's just cute. So lastly, I'm showing you the other headband cloth tropical. You know, I just said that so wrong and backwards, but anywho, you know what I was saying. But now I'm going to show you guys how I style my headband wig. If you've watched my headband wigs before, then you already know what styles I'm going to do. So just watch it anyway. But headband wigs can be styled in so many different ways, y'all. And I'm going to show you guys how I style mine. So with this being a shorter wig, it's so much easier to style. Right now I'm going to do a half up, half down. I just take up, you know, half up and I leave half down. And I'm just tying my rubber band on it, pull it tight, slide it back, and boom, chakalaka. You got it, just like that. And it's so cute. Style number 2, you can just take that same ponytail that you just did, wrap it around into a little bun, and boom, you have a little bun, half up, half down style. It's just as cute as the first one, and you don't have to worry about that hair hitting you in your eye, because I know I be swinging, and the hair be swinging too, and it be hitting me. But once you take that down, you'll already have a good section of hair to just flip over to the side, so you can flip it on this side and do like a side part with no part, or you can flip it on the other side and do a different side part with no part. Either way, flipping your hair over to the side is a whole new style for you. And now, of course, we're gonna do the classic style, which is just putting it in a low ponytail. And I think this is really cute if you don't want to have your hair down and it's too much for you, or it's hot, or you're cold, I don't know. But if you want a ponytail, it works for sure. So I decided to end the video in this style because I just thought it was so fun to have in my head, and I loved it so much. As you can see, the hair has dried right back up to how we started, and it did not lose a single curl. So you don't even have to worry about losing those curls because this water wave pattern comes right back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly have nothing bad to say about this hair, y'all. Like, nothing at all. 10 out of 10. Everything will be listed down below, so don't forget to check out the description box and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.